Today we're tearing apart another air conditioner. First you want to get a 1/4 inch socket for all these little small screws. That and a Phillips screwdriver is pretty much two tools you're going to need. Start taking these screws off around the perimeter on this. You might need a pair of snips eventually. There we go. Gonna snip a couple of these lines. Get the wire out of the way. Now I'm trying to take this sealed unit off. That's a 1/2 inch socket on that. There's 3 screws. Try to get in there where you can see it. It's a bit hard after. I'll figure out how to show you after I get some of this stuff out of the way. I got a fan motor in there and a couple of small radiators. You can see the fan there, that's just plastic. There's a little bit of copper on the inside. Now here we go. There's our 1/2 inch bolt. Doesn't take too long to get those off of there. I'm gonna clean this up, get all this copper off of here. Now clean up the ends of these radiators, get that little piece of steel off there. Try to get this motor out of here. Saw these ends off. Get those macaroni style elbows off the radiator. That's copper. Now we're gonna weigh it up. Looks like we got about 1 pound of copper so far. A little bit over 1 pound. Got 3 pounds of radiator. I'm gonna throw the steel up here. Got about 9 pounds. Maybe 10, because the electric motor didn't get put on there. Now I'm gonna throw the unusable scrap. I believe it's about 4 or 5 pounds waste. Now I want to saw this sealed unit open so you can look inside. They're hard to cut. You're gonna need a good Sawzall blade. It was giving me a hard time, but we got in there and got it open. Couple screws on a cover in there, and there was what we got inside. There's an electric motor in there. We're gonna have to probably burn that off, get it all the way out of there. I tried to get it out of there, but this is some copper from that first big AC unit, the small fan motor on the top. There's a couple on here's from the big condenser of the air conditioner from yesterday. About 5 pounds. We got about another 7 or 8 pounds of copper